Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Pinterest fail to create conversation. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that your application is updated. Okay? So to do that, just go ahead and open your App Store and search for Pinterest. So here, if you see an update button instead of open button, just go ahead and click on the update button because that means that your application needs to be updated. Okay? So once you've updated your application, just go ahead and check again because sometimes this error occurs when your application is outdated. Okay? So now what you need to do, if that method doesn't work for you, open your settings. Okay, now click on General, click on iPhone storage, and then what you need to do is to just go ahead and let's just wait for this one. And then we want to find the Pinterest. Okay. So now you just need to click on Upload App, and once you've done that, just go ahead and reinstall it again. So once you've done that, just go ahead and check again your application because that should help you to fix your problem. And if that doesn't still work for you, what you need to do is to just go ahead and check the status of Pinterest. So to check the status of Pinterest, just go ahead and search for pintereststatus.com on your browser. And as you can see right now, Pinterest is up and running. So that means that there's no problem within the Pinterest application. But if you see these symbols, the degraded performance, partial outage, major outage, and maintenance, so if you see that symbols, what you need to do is to just go ahead and wait until the Pinterest is operational. Okay, but if your Pinterest is up and running but you're still experiencing this problem, what you need to do is to just go ahead and uninstall your application and install it again after a while. Okay, then after that, just go ahead and log in your account, and that should help you to fix this problem. Okay, so that's it. Those are the ways to fix the Pinterest fail to create conversation. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.